Hello everyone, Edgar here. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be showing you what's inside of the adult art kit. If you haven't ordered yours yet, make sure to send an email to Marge, Eagle and Condor Collective at gmail.com, or you can also visit the website at eagleandcondorcollective.com. I will also leave a link at the end of this video. So let's dive in what's inside of the adult art kit. So inside of this kit you will get a beautiful sketchbook. You will get a set of washable watercolor. You will also get some charcoal. A pencil. A fine liner. So this is interesting for you to create beautiful designs. Interesting brushes that you will get into this kit. And the last item, oh wait, there is two. You got a sharpener, and the last one, it is the eraser over here. And when you order your kit, you will also get the nature kit that comes with. So let's have a look what's inside of this kit. Oh, interesting. A feather. It's amazing how you can see different detail into different feathers. A pine cone. A root tree. So this is for you to be inspired to get ideas whenever you start drawing. Here, oh, a seashell. Interesting. Some twigs. Acorn. So again, this is for you to be inspired and get ideas whenever you start drawing by yourself or with your family. Thank you very much.